Java Programming for Absolute Beginners free course. The following are the top 6 Java free course for beginners. 1. Java Tutorial for Complete Beginners. This particular Udemy course has gained exceptional recognition as the most widely acclaimed free Java course that can be found on the internet, with an astounding enrollment of over 1 million students and an abundance of top-notch 5-star ratings. It is absolutely unparalleled in terms of its immense popularity and reputation. 2. Learn Java from scratch. Introducing an exceptional free Java course that is absolutely ideal for beginners who are eager to grasp the language from the very foundation. This invaluable resource is proudly provided by Educative, a highly interactive learning platform that takes a unique text-based approach to ensure optimal understanding and mastery. 3. Java Programming, Beginner to Guru. Without a doubt, this free Java course undoubtedly stands among the finest choices available for beginners and individuals who are intrigued by the world of Java programming, considering that Java is widely recognized as one of the most favorable languages to begin learning in the present day. Acquiring the skills to master the art of programming in Java truly presents an opportunity to experience the best of both worlds. 4. Java Fundamentals, the Java language. Allow me to present to you an exceptional introductory Java course, carefully curated and brought to you by the esteemed Jim Wilson. With an impressive track record of over 30 years of software engineering expertise, Jim's wealth of knowledge and experience shines through in every aspect of this course. 5. Java Programming and Software Engineering Fundamentals. I am excited to bring to your attention an additional array of free Java courses, specifically tailored for beginners, which you can find on the highly reputable platform, Coursera. These courses form an essential part of a comprehensive specialization program that not only imparts valuable knowledge but also provides the opportunity for certification upon successfully completing all the courses and assessments. 6. Learn Java by Codecademy. It may come as a surprise to many that Codecademy offers an exceptional free Java course that often goes under the radar. Unlike a brief 1-hour introduction, this comprehensive course spans an impressive 25 hours and is meticulously designed to teach Java from the very foundation up to the latest developments in 2024. Happy coding! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.